Welcome to the magical world of Rudi Xiexie Art. In this enchanting journey, where creativity harmoniously blends with the sophistication of visual artificial intelligence, AI, Assistant Visual AI, will be your guide. Together, we'll explore new dimensions of modern art fused with the charm of advanced technology. In this stage of beauty, visual AI is not just a tool, it's a creative partner enriching every stroke of art with extraordinary innovation. The unique collaboration between human imagination and technological wonders opens the door to a visually stimulating journey. Every simple idea presented in the realm of visual AI's imagination evolves into a captivating masterpiece. The details emerging from this process reveal the magic in every pixel, allowing the imagination to soar limitlessly. Let's begin this extraordinary visual AI adventure together.
Selamat datang di channel Rudi Xiexie Art, di mana dunia fantasi dan realitas virtual menyatu dalam harmoni visual AI. Dalam perjalanan ini, kami menggabungkan keajaiban teknologi visual AI dengan imajinasi tak terbatas, menciptakan suasana yang harmonis dan memukau. Bersama-sama, kita menjelajahi dimensi baru di dunia seni, di mana fantasi, realitas virtual, dan kecerdasan buatan bersatu, menciptakan karya-karya yang tak terlupakan.
Welcome to the fantasy world of reality virtual, visual AI. I'm Rudi Xiexie, an artist inviting you to explore the beauty of creativity and art. With the help of visual AI technology, I strive to create captivating works. Born and raised in a diverse cultural environment, I believe art has the power to unite and enrich our lives. In my artistic journey, I explore various genres and styles, creating inspiring works in this fantasy world.
Ayo saksikan dan rasakan keindahan harmoni ini di setiap langkah petualangan seni visual AI bersama Rudi Xiexie Art.
Jangan lupa klik tombol subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasi agar tidak ketinggalan konten menarik dari Rudi Xiexie Art. Mari bersama-sama menjelajahi masa depan seni visual AI. Sampai jumpa di episode berikutnya.